this video I'm showing you how to make sweet sticky French toast. And of course, here's me eating some. Oh yeah, it is scrumdiddlyumptious. So ingredients you need: fresh bread, 1 egg and some sugar. Whisk the egg like so. Get your fry pan on, dunk your bread on both sides in the egg, then dunk it in the sugar like so on both sides. And you're going to add some butter to your fry pan. Cook your French toast on both sides like I am, and there you go. Literally takes 2 minutes. I'm having mine with maple syrup and some chantilly cream. What a great accompaniment. Yes, and yes, enjoy guys. Thanks for watching.